Hey guys, here is a unboxing of Philips Air Fryer NA231 It's a new air fryer from Philips which has a transparent bucket. So without wasting any time, let's open the box. Let's open the air fryer from the box. Inside we have another box. Here is a Philips branding, and here you can see the Philips Air Fryer 2000 series, 6.2 liters capacity. And on the other side you can see the product name, that is air fryer, and the model number NA231, and the price mentioned on the box is 11,995, but you can get it under 10,000. If there is any sale, you can get it under 9,000 also. So without wasting any time, let's open the air fryer from the box. On opening the box, we find a user manual. This air fryer comes with international warranty. Before using the air fryer, make sure you read the user manual properly. You can also download the app and you can see the digital menu. Let's remove the cover. It is a new air fryer from Philips. Here you can see the rapid air technology, and it has a digital menu. Here is the cable. You need to have a 16 amp socket to insert this plug. After using the air fryer, you can tie the wire like this at the back, like this. At the back you can see the air vents. So when air fryer is turned on, hot air will be coming out from here. Let's peel the stickers on both the sides. To open the air fryer, you can simply drag the tray like this. Here is the inside tray. The capacity of this tray is 6.2 liters, and inside you will find this metal plate. It is very easy to clean this, and you can keep the metal plate at the bottom like this. If you want to place this tray inside, simply push like this. Here is the sticker. Let's peel the sticker. Since there is no power, it is showing blank. The bottom of the air fryer looks like this. It will show you the model number and the country of origin, and the top looks like this. When you open the tray, inside the air fryer looks like this. I am going to connect this air fryer to the power source. After connecting to the power source, you need to just tap on the power button. Once you tap on the power button, you will get some preset menus such as to cook fries, to cook chicken, as such. And also you can see the transparent window inside the air fryer. And also you have the up and down arrows to increase the temperature or to increase the time of the cooking. Here you can see that I am increasing the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius. It is a maximum temperature on the Philips air fryer. For demonstration purpose, I am trying the French fries. These are the frozen ones, and if you want, you can add some oil also, and turn on the button and select the French fries from the menu. And here you can see that 180 degrees 41 minutes. If you are okay with that, simply click on the play or pause button. It will start cooking. You need to remove the tray from the air fryer, and you need to mix the fries so that it is evenly cooked. From the transparent window, you can see that the French fries are being cooked. You need to remove the tray and you need to mix, and once the French fries are golden brown, it is ready for use. This is how the French fries came out from the air fryer. I haven't added any oil. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.